Yeah, they down with this. Cause they down with this.
Nau mai e hoa mā ki te Rotorua nui o ka haumata momoi.
And what's been a big week of sport in Rotorua town. So the kick-off is deep. You'll soon get the feeling of just how heavy the track is today. It literally was a lake 24 hours ago. Hutchings getting some good support. Going right again. Mailulu gets them close. Oh, Rotorua looking good here. The numbers on the right edge, and the first try is scored skillfully as well. Rukuraku this afternoon. Rotorua with the football. Oh, this is smart play as well this time. With the carry, Mailulu is getting himself well involved. The decision-making and changing of direction here from Chisholm is good, and here comes Owen on the fly. Look at him go! Oh, beautiful! In the corner. In the crown for tourism and Māori tourism in particular. So now it is with the home team again, and they are looking dangerous. Ahuriri having questions being asked. Referee is given the advantage. Here's the run to the line though, and it's try number 3. Again, it's this talented lock, Solomon Mailulu. Full of beans, full of attitude. Climbing, nicely taken. Set up work. As slick as the coaching staff would have wanted. Dangerous here for Napier. As you can see with that close-up shot, Chisholm thinking right, left. Options are plenty. Peeling off and just trying to get around for the big boys from the back. In fact, that try has been awarded. Let's see who gets up with the football.
Hutchings.
Was it the 7?
And ko Jake Hutchings tērā. Wonderful.
At the back is Bain. Into the hands of Mulaney, the skipper, keeps it alive, and up through the middle they come this time. This is better play from Napier. It's so little precious football in that first half, and now a penalty just outside the 22. It's taken quickly, isolated somewhat, the tapper. And still, Napier getting themselves set. The players all mussing around, laying the ball back nicely, making it available here. Napier still deciding that through the middle is our best course of action. They're 6 or 7 metres out from the try line now. It would be so important if they were able to get across the line here and just get a feel on the scoreboard. Anything can happen in sport, as we well know. The charge towards the line as it come up trumps. It has. And Napier are in to score. I like the work he and Cody Denatau have been doing at the front of the line out. It's secured by Rotorua Boys High School. Look at this push. Look at the control here. And it's going to be tough. It's at the back, waiting for the snap. It's the number 2, Van der Hayden, who has the football. Has he gone towards the line himself? There's the try. It's been secured.
Who I'm giving my $5 to, packet of chips and a raspberry lemonade, is certainly the fullback. Toko Waitua Owen, so a standout this afternoon. And koe rā ko te tangi o te pūtātara e hoa mā. Too much. A Rotorua nui o ka humata moi moi.
Everybody that I know, yeah, they down with this. Cause they down with this.